Alright y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of the internet trends at the moment, and it's whipped coffee. It's, from my research, it actually originates in Korea, and it's Dalgona is how you pronounce it in English. I tried to figure out how to pronounce it in Korean. Yeah, that wasn't happening. But if you've been anywhere on the internet in the last couple weeks, you've seen whipped coffee, and it's so simple. For this, we have some instant coffee. We got some sugar, and we got some milk, and we're gonna have to have some water. So let's get going. All right, y'all, this is so simple. So first, we got 1/3 of a cup of boiling. It was boiling. We heated it up on the stove to a boiling point. Now you use 1/3 of a cup of hot water. We also have 1/3 of a cup of instant coffee powder. And we also have 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Now I am using vanilla sugar because I happen to have it. And then we're just gonna go ahead and mix this up. And we're gonna keep mixing this until it becomes super fluffy, like a whipped cream consistency. Alright, so we got a pretty consistency of like whipped cream. We used a whisk attachment on our electric mixer. You can do this by hand, it's just much quicker if you do electric. I will throw it out there. This will make about 3 to 4 servings, depending on the size of cup you use. So we're gonna quickly set this to the side and bring over our glass. Alright y'all, so we have our mug here. We got it about halfway full of ice. And then we're just going to take our milk and fill it about halfway to 3/4 of the way, just depending on how strong you want it. Now you can use your favorite milk. If you want to use cream, you can use cream. Whatever you want to do. And then we got our fluffed coffee, and we're just gonna carefully spoon that into the mug. We got a little bit of drippage on that side, so just take a wet rag. Wipe it down, and there you have it. It is the latest internet trend, whipped coffee, officially called Dalgona coffee. If you like this video, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. There's going to be a video clip up here that YouTube thinks you need to watch that video. And until next time, keep on cooking on.